JawMax app unlock your strongest jawline. AI-powered jawline enhancement. JawMax is a wellness-focused tool designed to help users explore and improve their facial aesthetics. Using advanced facial mapping, it provides AI-generated visual insights, structured training tips, and general nutrition guidance, all aimed at enhancing jawline appearance and facial posture. So here you have a detailed jaw analysis, daily jaw exercises, your daily diet plan. I don't know how legit is it, but yeah, it's going viral in the charts. It's a solo developer app, and then you can just open it up. You can save date of birth. Oop. Okay, so for example, so that's the idea. You can see all the questions. And then yeah, you see it in here. And then you can select and proceed. And then yeah, you can just upload your photo. You can see your results. You can see daily exercises. And then there are premium plans. So that's the idea. I don't know whether they have, no, they don't have referral codes, similar as in JawMax. So you don't have it. But yeah, and then if you want, you can upgrade. So here's just what you can have. Upgrade 1 year, 1 month, 1 year. So you can see it in here, $30 per year. That's just what you have. And then you can just upload photos and get your score from here.